All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV, MG Sports TV. Really appreciate you guys coming in. So we're going to speak about Donovan Duckie. Now, last season Donovan Duckie didn't really have a good season in the Premier League, but most definitely is looking to regain back some strength and confidence with a new move onto Mobay United. All I want you guys to do, as I go into the details of the video, smash that like button, people, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well if you're here for the first time, and turn on your notification bell so that you get all the latest updates as soon as it drops of everything Jamaican football, everything. Just turn on the notification bell, you will get everything, people. So let's go on. Let's go into the details of this move. Let's see what Donovan Duckie think about it, and let's see what are his thoughts. Let's go straight to that now, people. As the article reveals, it states back to business. Or return to business, whatever. Duckie returns to Mobay United to wrap up unfinished business. Let's get straight in. Former Jamaica under 20 and under 23 head coach Donovan Duckie will be the new man in charge of Montego Bay United. Club president Orville Powell confirmed to the Jamaica Observer. This will be the second stint for Duckie at Mobay United, having coached there during the 2013-2014 season. Powell did not divulge much other than say yes when asked confirms Duckie's appointment at the club. Meanwhile, the much-traveled Duckie said he was delighted to be back at Montego Bay United. He's delighted. A club that he set the stage for, but left just before they won the 2013-2014 Premier League title. And he states, I am very excited and I am really looking forward to returning to unfinished business, Duckie told the Observer. This article is from the Observer. Howard Walker is the writer. He said, deep within me, I started something that I have not finished. When I was there, the players were wonderful, the administration was good, and what resonates the most is the people of the city, he added. Well, as you know, most coaches are going to highlight the fans. That's the normal to highlight the fans. Get the fans on side as early as possible. It's the best thing to do. He said, Duckie continued to say, they were very supportive of me, supportive of the project, and they are passionate about football, and this is something that I am looking forward to. The 46-year-old Duckie rose to prominence in 2007 when Jamaica Serbian head coach Bora Milutinovic chose him as his assistant. He was 29 years old at the time. He was later made national under-20 head coach and led the Reggae Boyz into battle in the under-23 Olympic qualifiers in 2019. Duckie, a former Army man, won 5 Super League titles with Star Cosmos in St. Mary and St. George's FC in Portland, and led the latter to Premier League promotion in 2007. So his background accolade CV looks quite good. The astute coach led the unfortunate Vere United to the playoffs in his first season in 2021, but finished 9th this season with 20 points. Montego Bay United finished at the bottom of the 12-team league with 12 points, and Duckie will have to bring all of his experience to turn the Western Jamaica team into a force to be reckoned with once again. Duckie previously coached at Sporting Central Academy, Humberline, Waterhouse twice, and Mount Pleasant, which he brought to the Premier League a few seasons ago. Now, this most definitely highlights a lot of the CV and the credentials of Donovan Duckie and what he's likely to bring to the Premier League. To Mobay United. We have seen him at the Premier League before. To Mobay United, and most definitely, I do believe that this year, one in which, as he said, has a lot to do with unfinished business. Unfinished business. He has unfinished business to do at Mobay United, and we'll see how that one goes. Last season, his team underperformed, vastly underperformed in Vere United. Didn't score much goal. They only could have a maximum of 20 points? Was it 20 points? No, I don't think it was 20 points. If um I think so. But anyways, it wasn't a good season. It really wasn't a good season for Veer, and I do think that he would have most people he would have been happy that that wasn't a relegation season. Well, we'll see how this one goes now because this season coming is a relegation season. Questions are: will he bring his own coaching staff? Will he take out some of those players, getting fresh young players in the team? These are vast questions that will be asked. What is his plan? What is his motive going forward? And what is his idea of how he wants to transform Mobay United at this present moment? And bring them back to glory days. Glory days. So people, I won't go any further on this one. Hopefully you guys are doing good. And I'll see you guys again. Donovan Duckie on to Mobay United. That's where it is. And you have seen already yesterday the announcement of Alex Thomas to Mullines United. So there's a lot of things happening in local Premier League, people. As soon as the transfers are coming out, I'll be seeing how best I can get on those and bring it to you guys. But massive respect, people. Thank you very much for tuning in. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, we are out. Boom.